Good morning, I bid to everyone, especially to our Miss Mimi Dolhan. So today, me and my team will present about combination of gravity and pump system. So before we start our presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Elisius Meswer Ana Frankie Nanga with matrix number 05DKA19F2035. And my team members, the first one is Ashwarya Ana Sulai with matrix number 05DKA19F2005. Second one is Kenny Welter Katun Anak Jabing with matrix number 05DKA19F2090. So last but not least, Syed Muhammad Hafiz bin Wan Razali with matrix number 05DKA19F2017. So let's start with our first presenter. Let's get into it.
Hello, I'm Kenny. I will explain what is gravity system. This system is the most dependable technique provided. There are multiplied well protected conduit carrying in the flow to the community. The gravity system is the most reliable. This system is useful in the area where the source of supply is located, substantially above the level of the city, such the adequate pressure in alternate in the network directly.
Next, I will present about what is a pump system. Pump system, a treated water is directly pumped in the distribution main without storing, also called a pumping without storage system. High lift pump are required if the power supply fail. Complete storage of water supply. This method is not generally used.
Thank you, Syed Muhammad Hafiz, and I'm going to elaborate more about combination gravity and pump system. Gravity and pump system is the most common system. Treated water is pumped and stored in an elevated distribution reservoir, then supplied to customer by action of gravity. And the excess of water during low demand periods gets stored in the reservoir and gets supplied during high demand period. And a combination of gravity and pump system is very economical, efficient, and reliable system. So for the next slide, I'm going to pass it to the next presenter, which is Elisius Meswer. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back to me again. So today I'm going to tell you or to explain you about dead end O3 system. So in this system, the water does not flow continuously. Why? Because it contains dead end in the pipe system and into several sub-network. The whole pipe network is divided such as main lines, subs lines, service connections, and branch lines. So as you can see on the slide here, we got advantage and disadvantages. So we move on to our advantage first. The first one is less number of cut-off valve required. The second one is the pipes can be easily laid in this system. And the last for the advantage is to make design calculation very simple. The pressure and discharge in each pipe can be determined very easily and accurately. So now let's talk about disadvantages. The first one is in the remote parts, the pressure is not constant and is very less. The second one is the wall portion should be stopped to repair if any problems or damage occurs in the branch line. So the third one is for firefighting, limited discharge is available in this system. So that's all from me, and let's move on to our next presenter. Bye bye.
Okay, this is 2.0 gauge system. Okay, first consists of demand point that are supplied from more than pipe. Second, flow direction is determined by the system operation and much less by its layout. Thus, it is not fixed, which means that a location of critical point may vary in time. Okay, in the slide we can see advantage and disadvantage. Okay. First, advantage. Maintenance work is much easily and cause no break to the entire time. Second, water of emergency like fire is easy to provide by controlling the wave in the system. Last, less energy loss and adequate wear pressure. For disadvantage, cost a lot due to the number of type and network setting. Second, water pressure at every point is always varying with time and relatively connected to the water consumption. Last, the design is difficult because in particular pipe we cannot determine the accurate direct velocity of pressure. That's all for me.
Next, I represent about the ring system. In this system, the main pipe is provided around the city or area, and the branch line are connected with each other and projected perpendicular, and every street with a district area will get sufficient. This system also called as a circular system, and it is more suitable for town with well-planned street and road. And this ring system have advantages and disadvantages. For the advantages, it not stagnation of water accuracy in the ring or circular system without affecting a large network. Repair work can be done. For the firefighting, a large quality of water is available. Okay. Next is for the disadvantages. Large diameter and long length pipe are required in this system. While laying pipes, skilled workers are necessary. The number of cut-off valves are more, and every system have advantages and disadvantages.
Thank you, Said Muhammad Hafiz. So, moving to my part, I'm going to talk about radius system. For your information, in radius system, the whole area is divided into small distribution zone, and for each distribution zone, an individual distribution reservoir is provided, and the pipeline are led radially to the surrounded streets from the reservoir. As you can see from the slide, there are the advantages and disadvantages for radius system. For the advantages for radius system, the first one is easy to calculate the size of pipe. The second one is with the high velocity and the high pressure, the water distributed. And last one is because of quick discharge, the head loss is very small. That's all from advantages. So we're going to move to the disadvantages for radius system. And the first one is stagnation of water occur in pipe due to many dead ends. The second one of disadvantages for radius system is because of the number of individual distribution reservoir, the cost of project is more. So that's all for me, and I am Asrariana Sulai. Thank you.
So, with this opportunity, me on behalf of my team and myself too would like to say thank you for your guidance, Miss Mimi, and stay safe, and we love you. Sarang heyo. Bye bye.